to go.
So as you think about your goals, specifically goals for this session, do you want to just get started exercising because it's been difficult with the current health crisis and you've been stuck at home and it's just been tough to find the motivation to get going? Or are you already exercising and you need a little help ramping up and some recommendations on good apps to do that? The other things that you can consider, are you trying to work on your flexibility? Are you trying to think about ways to reduce anxiety and get rid of some stress? We all have additional stress because we're now working at home. We've got a health crisis that we're thinking about. We have lots of members in the house, perhaps. There are different things that can perhaps cause us stress and anxiety. Exercise is a great way to get rid of that. So we can think about that as well. Perhaps you have an injury and you're trying to figure out how to recover. And this is something that we have to be careful of, but there are special things that we can think about when we're trying to recover from injury.